Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got another unboxing. First, want to give a shout out to BigWhiteEDC.com and check out his site and his Facebook group. He releases new products all the time. He has amazing prices. Also, you guys can use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets to get 10% off your entire order. Apply at checkout, and yeah, let's get right into the video. I'm not too sure what's in here. It's a Wanwu product. I just forget what it is. Whatever it is 55 grams and number 96. I mean 94, my bad. Alright, this will actually be a surprise for me, but not for you guys, because it'll be in the title and thumbnail. Alright, this is the... Okay, so I just looked it up. It's on Big White EDC. I'll leave a link to this product down below. It's the Ethereal. And yeah, this is zirconium. It's made by Wanwu, of course. Let's see what's in here. Nothing else? Question mark. Nice, an extra bearing and a tool. Thank you. I actually gonna bring it up right here. I got this little cheap bearing tool that I can try and use and see how it works. But yeah, I can try to fix bearings and stuff now. Yeah, at least I'll try. So yeah, but yeah, let's get right into this thing right now. So excited. This is 54 grams and number 94. I'm not sure how many were made in total. But yeah, super excited. I've recently been getting into spinners. Let me actually pull out my current spinners. One sec. This is the one I'm carrying right now, the M3 stainless steel. So I've also got this, let's go in order. This is the Viper. It is in stainless steel plus tungsten balls. This is the KTS Blood Blade. This is the Mott something. I'm not too sure what the name of this is. Crystal titanium, super lightweight, spins great. And then this is the 2EDC triangle in stainless steel, stone washed. An amazing spinner, bro. Love this thing. Definitely recommend it. But yeah, those are my current spinners right now. We will compare it to this thing, but I'm gonna put these aside for now so that all the attention is on the Ethereal. All right, here we go. Feels great. Oh my God, let's go. Love the sound of this thing. Holy hell. I like how it's like lightweight and then this is in Zerk, by the way. Yeah, it's a really nice spinner. Sorry, you've been zoning out. Yeah, number 94. Pretty cool. I think this may be stainless steel, I'm not sure. I am not sure. Where's my scale? Let's open it up. $55. So it is the same thing as the back and the packaging. I'm gonna translate this and see what the actual material is. Can't tell right now. But yeah, take a look. But it actually spins great. Again, you guys can get this thing on Big White EDC. Link is down below. Nice, cool buttons. Also, it's actually not a bearing that you can take out with this thing. You just unscrew this part and then you're good. That's pretty cool. R188. It's pretty cool. Let's see how long this thing spins for. I'm gonna bring out my other phone. All right, and let us see. That wasn't the best spin, but whatever. Oh my god, it just keeps spinning. So 2 minutes and 50, whoops, 1 second, guys. 2 minutes and 49 seconds, but I bet you can get way more out of this thing. Like, that wasn't the best spin, and I kind of didn't want to restart, but I also kind of twisted it mid spin. But yeah, but you guys can definitely get more out of this thing. It's super lightweight and it spins forever. But yeah, I'm gonna put it away. I really love this thing. Like, it's different from all my current spinners. It's lightweight. Like the shape of it. You can spin stop this thing pretty easily. No problem. And yeah. guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Again, check out bigwhiteedc.com. Link is down below. You guys can get 10% off your entire order if you use my code, Daily Dose of Fidgets. And yeah, again, join his Facebook group, join his Facebook chat. I'm in there. A lot of other people are in there. Then he releases new products, and they're also going to be announced there as well. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.